Today we are in Delhi, in West Delhi, at the manufacturing unit of B.R. Gautam, the founder owner of Gautam Footwear, citizen of native of Faizabad district, Uttar Pradesh. Gautam ji has two such units, manufactures 2,500 pairs of ladies shoes, sandals and kids shoes every week. He has 30 workers on his roll and pays around 7 lakh rupees in salary every month. A graduate from Faizabad Awadh University, Gautam ji learned the art of shoemaking in a factory in Faizabad, moved over to Bombay, moved over to Pune, and then landed in Delhi in 2011. And his shoes, sandals, are priced at rupees 999 and are sold only in good showrooms. तो क्या यह बात सही है कि आपका प्रोडक्ट अच्छे शोरूम में ही बिकता है?
यस सर।
इसे यस सर। क्या आप यह बता सकते हैं कि जो आपके बायर्स हैं, जो करोड़ बाग में और देश के अन्य हिस्सों में जो होलसेल में आप बेचते हैं, डू योर बायर्स नो दैट यू आर ए दलित?
यस, ऑफ कोर्स।
यस,
दे नो वेल।
they know very well.
Yes sir.
And you are proud of being a Dalit?
Yes sir. Of
You are,
course.
you are proud of being a manufacturer?
Yes sir.
You are proud of being an employer?
Yes.
आपने नौकरी नहीं किया. Why did not you try for a government job after your graduation in Faizabad?
My thought was that my community, Dalit community, is always low class and poor family belong. So I hope that in future they will educated and have unemployment. So I thought that I will give them a job and work and their family livelihood is strong and they will educated, their family will be educated in future and their life is will be very strong and well educated and middle class and higher
That means
class.
at the age of 20 only, you decided that you will become a job giver.
Yes sir.
And that's why you first wanted to take training. You took training in Faizabad, Bombay, Pune and landed in Delhi in 2011.
I had completed my graduation in 1999 and I take training in Faizabad of footwear manufacturing and then I have started working other factories of footwear. Then I was going to Mumbai for 2 years and Pune for 3 years and then I thought this is not for me, that only I am working and I मतलब मैं अपना खाली अपना ही परिवार चला पाऊँगा. तो इस वजह से मैंने सोचा कि अभी बिजनेस अगर सेटअप करता हूँ तो और लोगों की फैमिली.
So Gautam ji says that I thought if I am working as an employee, I'll be able to feed only my family.
My family.
If I become employer, then I'll be able to give jobs to my people, many families, and their children will grow in
growing
education.
education
Okay, and
get employment.
गौतम साहब, आप ये बताइए कि कितने रुपए लेकर के आप दिल्ली में आए थे?
मैं ओनली 26,000 रुपये लेकर दिल्ली आया था.
Just 26,000 rupees
यस सर.
in your pocket when you landed in
yes,
Delhi in
yes.
2011.
यस
Oh my God, just 26,000 rupees.
यस.
क्या यह बात सही है कि दिल्ली में आने के बाद एक जूते की फैक्ट्री में आप सोते थे?
यस सर.
He used to sleep and live in a footwear factory.
यस सर.
क्या यह भी बात सही है कि एक दो बार आपको दोपहर का और रात का भोजन नहीं मिला?
Yes, sir, of course. I face this situation. I have faced this situation near about 8 years ago.
Some 8 years ago, Gautam Sahab had to forego his lunch and dinner, and yet he was determined to succeed.
Yes, sir.
आप एक बार आप ऐसा भी हुआ कि आपके पास केवल बस से जाने के लिए पैसा था, किराया 10 रुपये
Yes, sir.
करोल बाग में, और वहाँ से आपको कई सौ हज़ार रुपये लेने थे
Yes.
अपने कस्टमर्स से, होलसेलर्स से.
Yes, sir.
किसी ने पैसा नहीं दिया और आपकी जेब खाली रह गई.
So मुझे पैसे नहीं मिले तो मैं वहाँ से बस से आया और बस से काफ़ी दूर चला गया. अपनी फैक्ट्री में ना आके डिप्रेशन में की वजह से काफ़ी दूर चला गया कि दूसरी बस में बैठ के लास्ट डेस्टिनेशन तक चला गया बस की. लेकिन मैं अपनी फैक्ट्री में नहीं आया, इसी टेंशन तनाव में कि मेरी फैक्ट्री में मेरे वर्कर्स जो है उनको पैसे नहीं मिलेंगे. और
So he couldn't collect, he didn't get money from his buyers in Karol Bagh. He boarded a bus and kept traveling till the bus terminated. बस के आखिरी स्टॉप तक चले गए, यह सोचते सोचते कि हम फैक्ट्री वर्कर्स को पैसा कैसे दें.
Yes, sir.
So he kept traveling in DTC bus in Delhi, thinking that I couldn't arrange money. How will I face my workers? और फिर जो है ये संघर्ष की इनकी कहानी है. आज इन्होंने he has given one of the units to his guru who taught him into the art of suit designing. आप सूट डिजाइनर भी हैं.
Yes, sir.
Although he has not taken any training as he was telling you, but he designs suits. And the man who taught him how to make designs, जिस व्यक्ति ने दलित समाज के इनको फुटवियर की डिजाइन बनाना सिखाया, उन्होंने एक यूनिट लगा करके उनको गिफ्ट दे दिया है. लो, आप चलाओ.
Yes, sir.
ये तो बहुत बड़ा दिल है आपका. Listen.
He is Jaswant Gautam. His factory is besides me, and he has 15 workers in his unit, and I am also purchasing his items, and sell with.
So
market.
he has gifted one unit that employs 15 workers, and he is manufacturing, his guru is manufacturing, he is marketing his products also.
Yes, sir.
इसका मतलब कि आप एक दलित मैन्युफैक्चरर हैं और 10 IS के बराबर आप में ताकत है.
Yes, sir. Of course.
Hello my fellow Dalits, listen. Gautam Sahab is equal to 10 Dalit IS officers, and his first aspiration after graduation was not to become officer or clerk, to become a manufacturer.
Yes, sir.
आप तो दलित समाज के लिए एक बहुत बड़े इंस्पिरेशन हैं.
मेरी शुरू से यह सोच रही है कि हम जॉब सीकर्स नहीं, जॉब गिवर्स बनेंगे. ये मेरी सोच थी, क्योंकि जिसको आज डिक्की फॉलो करती है, वो मेरी भी सोच थी कि मैं जॉब गिवर्स.
तो दलित समाज के लोग जो आप 20 साल की उम्र से लेके 45 साल की उम्र तक एग्जामिनेशन हर साल लिख रहे हैं, यह कहानी आप देखिए. लिसन माय फेलो दलित्स who start writing competitions from the age of 20 and keep writing till the age of 45. He is less than 45 and he is job givers. He is employing 30 workers, paying taxes to government, paying salaries to them worth 7 lakh. And that's the reason I am calling him. Gautam Sahab is equal to 10 Dalit IAS officers. Thank you so much. Hello Gautam ji, welcome back once again. आपसे बात हो रही थी when we were talking during coffee break. I asked you, if somebody comes and offers you 25 lakh rupees cash to help your business grow, or offers orders worth 25 lakh rupees, 25 लाख रुपए का वो ऑर्डर दें, आप उसे पहले ले लेंगे या 25 लाख कैश दे रहा है कोई तो उसको ले लेंगे?
सबसे पहले हमें ऑर्डर की जरूरत होती है,
ओके,
उसके बाद पूंजी आती है.
Gautam says that first and foremost we need market,
Yes,
buyers,
yes.
money will follow.
Buyers first, and then capital is last.
Dalits, hello my fellow unemployed Dalits, those who want to start businesses must know what the experience of Gautam ji is. Gautam ji का अनुभव यह है कि आपके पास पैसे से पहले मार्केट चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
तो please keep in mind, if you start a small business, you need buyers, markets, grahak first.
Yes.
Money will follow.
Yes, yes.
Thank you Gautam ji.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, Jagriti, congratulations that you won gold medal in boxing. एक दलित बच्चा बॉक्सर बने, इससे बड़ी कामयाबी क्या हो सकती है? बधाई हो आपको बार बार. चलिए, थैंक यू. एक इसको कर लीजिए रिकॉर्ड पर से.
क्या?
हाँ,
तो
खड़े हो जाइए. सब फोटो दिखा देंगे. बोले ऐसे बने रहे.
ऐसे बनी रहो, ऐसे बनी रहो.
Gautam ji, welcome back. You are saying that previous year your daughter got a silver medal
Boxing.
in boxing 45 to 50 category.
Yes.
What a great news this is, my fellow Dalits. Gautam's daughter Jagriti got a silver medal at national level in boxing. What a great news to break, that a Dalit girl has got silver medal in boxing. एक दलित बॉक्सिंग में अगर चैंपियन बनता है तो गौतम जी, ये आपके परिवार की सबसे बड़ी कामयाबी है. मिस्टर गौतम, दिस इज योर ग्रेट सक्सेस that your daughter became a national level boxer. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.